All right, boys, today we're going to talk about the difference between the C7 A6 and the C7.5 A6. The C7.5 A6 has a facelift versus the C7. It started in 2016. It's got the CREC supercharged 3.0T engine, which has a slightly different supercharger. It's attached to a different transmission. It's got dual fuel injection, direct and port injection, so it helps with carbon buildup. It's got different compression. It's got sleeve cylinders. It's got quite a few improvements on the 3.0T supercharged original versus the CREC. One thing to note, though, is the supercharger clutch on the car was made to help fuel economy or whatever. 034 Motorsport has a supercharger clutch delete, and if you get that, the drivability of the car will skyrocket, because every time that you are engaging that supercharger clutch, you can feel this hesitation in the car, and you're going to need to get rid of the supercharger clutch anyway, because it'll slip once you get to higher power levels. So just a couple things to keep in mind. It's not the fact that the car or the transmission is driving bad, it's the supercharger clutch that feels like that, most likely. So get a TCU tune, that's going to be super important too, and then get a supercharger clutch delete. And if you have the clutch delete, make sure you get the right TCU tune with the clutch delete accounted for in the tune. And if you're wondering what the C7 engine's like, it's basically the exact same thing that's in a 3.0T supercharged B8.5 S4 or B8 S4, which those videos are all over, so you can figure out anything you want about those engines. But the CREC engines aren't very talked on, so let's start talking about them.